My name's Mr. Dewku. I act a little cuckoo, slaying these rhymes here on YouTube. My clothes are kinda tacky. I never smoke tobacco, and when I see in the streets, I yell, "Keep it wacky!" So, my buddy Frankie from the channel system Skynet got a Rubik's Cube lately, and he's getting pretty good at it too. So I got a Rubik's Cube, and I'm just gonna give it a try. I've never done it before. Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so we're gonna do this, and then I'm gonna put this over like this, because I know we gotta do the white cross. It's very important, so I gotta get this white cross. So we're just gonna move this over like this, and there! I did the white cross. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this, like this, okay, like this. Yeah, it's like the moves that Frankie said, like this, like that. Yeah, okay, alright. Now we're gonna try this. Okay, move it around like that. Okay, almost got the whole top now. Okay, I'm gonna keep going here. And grab it. There, I got the white. Okay, now we need to do that. Okay, we're gonna put that like this. Okay, and then move it like that. Go over like this. Okay, let's see now. Let's do this. Something like that. Yeah, look at this. I'm gonna come along here. Okay, and like that, and this, and that. Okay, we'll do this. Okay, so I got the yellow cross now. Okay, I'm gonna do this and that. Kind of like this. Right. Okay, we do it like that. See. Yep. Okay. And look, we almost have it. We got a couple more colors. Alright, so we do this, do that. Do this and that, and that, and this and that, and that. There! I did it! Wow, look at that! 117! Awesome! I did it! I did it! First time ever! Let's see if you can beat that one, Frankie! Maybe it's beginner's luck, I guess. I don't know. Keep it wacky!